It's been 3 days and this prophet has yet to show himself. I hope I'm not making a huge mistake by trusting him.
War Chief, the clans are assembling as you ordered, but it will take them some time to reach us.
Then we must prepare this camp immediately. I want my warriors to have food and proper lodgings when they arrive.
Yes, War Chief.
Warrior, has there been any word from Hellscream? He and the Warsong clan were supposed to have been here by now.
No, War Chief. We haven't heard from Hellscream in some time.
Damn it, Hellscream. Where the hell are you?
Something need doing?
The blinking button at the top of the screen indicates that your quest journal has been updated. To find out more about your objectives, click on the quest button. Once a peon has been ordered to harvest gold, he will automatically travel back and forth between the gold mine and your closest Great Hall. Here are a few additional peons. To increase the rate of gold collection, order them to harvest.
What do you want?
You have just placed a rally point for your structure. Whenever a unit finishes training from this building, he will automatically travel to the rally point's location. To place a rally point, select one of your unit-producing structures and right-click on the ground where you want the rally point to appear.
Let's get on with it. Yes.
The amount of gold that you currently possess is displayed in the upper right portion of your screen. As peons return to your Great Hall with gold, your gold stockpile increases. Training a unit takes time. When your Great Hall is selected, you can see a progress indicator in the bottom middle portion of your screen.
Yes. Be happy to. Can't build there. Work.
The spirits are restless.
Ready to work.
Yes.
In order to support a larger population, additional orc burrows will have to be constructed. Burrows provide the food that allows you to train more troops. To construct a burrow, select one of your peons.
We're under attack!
Now click on the Build Structure button in the command card.
For honor.
Notice that additional buttons are now available in the command card. To construct an orc burrow, click on the Build Orc Burrow button.
On with it.
Now move the mouse to where you want the building to be placed. Once you have found an appropriate location, left-click to begin construction.
Lokrigar Nogal. Ndabu. For
Ready to
honor.
work.
For honor. Yes. Ndabu. I am the War Chief. Yes.
What do you want? Be happy to. Work. Okie dokie. I can do that. Ready to work. Something need doing? Yes.
The spirits are restless.
Work complete. What do you want? Work. Okie dokie. What do you want?
I am the War Chief.
Work complete.
The spirits are restless. Lokrigar.
Now that your burrow has been completed, the peon who built it can be assigned to a new task.
Ndabu. For honor.
Yes. Be happy to. Research complete. Something need doing? Work. Work complete. Something need doing?
Continue producing grunts until you reach your quest requirement.
Let's get on with it.
Huh? Okie dokie.
The spirits are restless.
What do you want? Yes.
Lokrigar Nogal.
My life for the Horde. Yes?
I am the war chief.
What you want? Loktar. Ready to work.
Let's get on with it. Lokrigar
Research
Nogal.
complete.
Yes. Let's get on with it.
Work complete.
I am the war chief.
Zug.
The spirits are restless.
My life for the Horde. Yes? Master? Swobu? Yes? Huh? Master?
The spirits
My
are
life
restless.
for the Horde. What you want? Master?
I am the war chief.
Yes?
Lokrigar Nogal.
My life for the Horde. Yes?
Let's get on with it.
Huh? Swobu. My
The
life for the
spirits are
Horde. What
restless.
you want? Huh? Master?
You orcs are in violation of the Alliance Internment Act. We've already captured one of your leaders. If you surrender now, we'll spare your lives.
War Chief, they say they've captured one of our leaders. Maybe they're referring to Hellscream.
I hope not. But if they have captured Hellscream, I'll make them regret it. Loktar Ogar! Come, my warriors! We must drive the humans back!
What you want? Loktar. Dabu.
Lokrigar Nogal. Let's get on with it.
Yes?
I am the war chief. Dabu.
My life for the Horde. Master? The wretched humans have been destroyed.
Move Thrall and the rest of your
What do you
forces
want?
across the bridge, such as the one located here.
Be happy
Yes?
to.
Lokrigar Nogal. Let's get
What
on
you
with
want?
it.
What you want?
The spirits are restless. For honor.
Something need doing?
Lokrigar
Yes?
Nogal.
Zug.
I am the war chief. Let's get on with it. The
Master?
spirits are restless.
My life for the Horde. Huh? Ah!
Let's get on with it.
Huh?
I am the war chief.
Master? Loktar. What you want?
Lokrigar
Yes?
Nogal.
Zug.
The spirits are restless.
Master?
Let's get on with it. Dabu.
What you want? Swobu. Dabu.
I
My
am
life
the
for the
war
Horde.
chief.
My life for the Horde. Dabu. What you want?
Lokrigar Nogal.
Master?
The spirits are restless.
Huh? Zug-Zug. Loktar.
The spirits are
Yes?
restless.
Yes? Swobu.
Lokrigar Nogal.
For the whore.
Yes.
Huh?
Direct me. Let's get on with
Master?
it. For honor,
What you want?
I am
What you want?
the war chief.
Zug-Zug. Swobu.
Yes. Right away. I am the war chief.
Loknaros. Huh? Build more burrows.
Lokrigar Nogal.
What do you want? I can
The
do that.
spirits are
Yes?
restless. Let's get on
Master?
with it.
Loktar. Master?
Lokrigar
Can I
Nogal. Dabu. Yes. My life for honor.
Yes?
Your army has
Lord
grown
Chief.
to such a large
Double.
size that
The
it now
spirits
requires a
are
portion of your
restless.
income to sustain
Let's
it.
get on with it.
This maintenance cost
I
is
am
referred to
the
as
war
upkeep.
chief.
For Doomhammer! War Chief, we've found where they're holding Hellscream, but the area is protected by fortified guard towers.
Then destroy them. Hellscream must be freed. Spirits are restless.
Yes? Dabu.
I am the war chief.
Yes? What you want? Work complete. Feel the ground tremble. Master? Time to die.
spirits
How can
are
I help?
restless. Yes. None will survive.
Swobu.
I am the war
Yes.
chief. Let's get on with it. Your time
Yes?
has come.
Zug-Zug. Time
Direct
for killing.
Lokrigar Nogal.
We're under attack. Master?
I am the war chief. Yes, war chief. Let's get on
What
with
you
it.
want? Zug-Zug.
Hellscream, are you all right?
I'm fine, little brother. Luckily, they only injured my pride.
Great, because we're getting out of here now. We're leaving the human lands for good.
Finally, follow me. I have an idea. We can set sail on the humans' own ships.
Perfect. But we'll need to wait for the rest of the Horde.
The Horde is assembled, War Chief. We await only your command.
Now, go, young thrall. Sail west to the lands of Kalimdor. It is there that you will find your destiny. It is there that your people's salvation will be assured.